Hey everyone, today I'm here to talk about underneath the bathroom sink. As an organizer, it is one area that I see most underutilized in a home. And so this is our before, and stay tuned because I have so many different options for the after. The first thing we want to do with any organizing project is purging. Purging is the most important part. So I always say, grab a garbage can and let's start the purge. First of all, gathering all these little packages you get in all the beauty kits or for free, just gather them together. Let's start sorting as we purge. The next thing is, if something's expired, toss it. If you have multiples of things and one of them's almost empty and you have one drop left, toss it. Our goal under here is to only keep the things we need and use on a regular basis and that we really need to have underneath the bathroom sink. Okay, so I have removed everything out from underneath the bathroom sink, which I always recommend doing. Don't try to organize around something, remove everything out, and now it's time to measure. It is so important to measure underneath a bathroom sink or a kitchen sink or a laundry room sink because of the plumbing. Everybody's plumbing is different. No one usually has the same exact plumbing placement. So it's so important to measure the width of the plumbing, the height, how high you can go, and of course the depth to make sure that the doors will shut. Hey everyone, and now I'm back with one of my favorite items from the Container Store. It is the Alpha Under Sink Storage. And now we've gained 3 drawers and I've separated them out into different categories: tanning, skincare, first aid, and I've even dropped in some inserts so that we can even organize more in the drawers. And of course, I love having backstock and a place for all the little samples now. So now we're back with some of my other favorite things. These are from iDesign, and I love using the turntables underneath sinks because it allows you to see what you own. I've separated these out for face wash, some lotions, and makeup remover, brush cleaner, and hair care products. And then I put all of the hair tools in this. So it has handles, you can take it out, slide it back in. So now we've gained so much space and made it so much easier to find what we need when we need it and only buy what we need, which saves money.